The man boiled the water in the pot to sterilize the glass jars. He was making jam. The chef boiled the chicken thighs and the onions in the pot. The woman boiled the water in the kettle. The chef boiled the fish soup in the pot and then let it simmer. The chef boiled the water in the pot in order to boil the eggs. The chef boiled the potatoes in the pot. The woman boiled the kettle on the stove. The chef boiled the vegetables in the pot. The camper boiled some water on the portable gas stove. He wanted a cup of coffee. The woman boiled the kettle to make a cup of tea. The witch boiled frogs' legs and the tongue of a dog in the witch's cauldron. The man boiled the French fries in cooking oil. The woman boiled the milk in a pot. The woman boiled the spaghetti in the boiling water. The chef boiled the raw carrots in the pot. The woman boiled the rice and then drained the rice in a colander. The chef boiled the broccoli and then drained the broccoli in a colander. The cook boiled the pasta for 10 minutes.